Are you looking for an affordable facial brush, something similar to like the Clarisonic or the Foreo lines, but that won't break the bank? Well, in this video, I'm actually going over what may be the best affordable facial cleaning brush out there. Coming up. Hey, if we haven't met before, my name is Johann, and on this channel you'll find helpful tips and strategies to improve your self-care, as well as product reviews just like this one. So if you're new here, consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell. Also, at any point of the video, make sure you check out the show notes and links in the video description about today's topic, okay? Let's begin. Taking care of your skin doesn't have to be hard, especially if you have sensitive skin. And it doesn't have to break the bank either. Some of us got bills, responsibilities, all kind of shit. Most of us don't have the extra funds to spend on certain products just to clean ourselves. But today that's all gonna change. I found this dope product online and I feel like you should know about it. It's called 11ever Sonic Facial Cleaning Brush by BlingBelle. This little guy right here, as soon as you turn it on, will release a sonic vibration, which works more effectively compared to using your fingers. 12,000 motions per minute to be exact. So can you imagine 12,000 fingers just all over your face per minute? That's the effect you're getting with this device right here. The product fits directly into your hands. Super portable. It's not clunky like those other annoying facial brushes, especially the ones that come with multiple heads. Oh damn, the amount of space that shit clogs up is freaking crazy. So it has 5 modes. You have +2, +1, the middle, -1, and -2. The plus modes are the intensity levels, whereas the minus mode indicates how light you want the brush to work on your face. The middle is obviously the sweet spot. You could adjust it to whatever mode you like or experiment to see what mode kind of works best for you. What's really cool about this device is that it's completely wireless. So basically you just put the device on the mount, you plug it in via USB. The battery has a 120-minute endurance and it lasts quite a while, especially on one charge. The device is also IPX7 waterproof, which means that you're not gonna get electrocuted if you happen to use it in the shower or if you're at the sink or if you're using it in the rain, which why would you want to wash your face in the rain? My mind goes off sometimes. If you're not trying to spend a shitload of money or if you're on a budget, I really feel like this is the best alternative. In fact, I actually have a video of me using it for the first time a few months back. Here you can put the lotion to massage into your face. Side is the actual damn, yo, this is soft, bro. What the hell? Okay, so right here is the actual soft bristles you can use around your cheeks, forehead, and stuff like that. But if you notice, on this side here, if the camera focuses a little bit, you can actually see the smaller area. You can use this around your nose. Yo, this is mad soft. My face is a little bit red, but I feel like I went too hard on the intensity. I mean, hey, I can see the difference. If I had only one gripe to say about this product, I would say that I really wish that it had the opportunity to plug in inside the wall instead of a USB. Now don't get me wrong, charging via USB is amazing, especially like if you're traveling, you have your power bank, you could just plug it in. But I mean, it would be so simple if they had an additional option instead of just a USB. But I guess that's just me. If you're on a budget, you don't want to spend so much money, you definitely want to pick up the 11ever. Say that 12 times fast. So, the price. How much does it cost me? At the time of this recording, it is $18.99. Now, I'll definitely link up that in the video description if you want to check it out yourself. Shows how light you want that brush to be. I feel like you should know. It's called the Ever 11. 11ever. Well, in this video, I'm going over. I'm mad. Big mad. Alright. Sensitive. The word is sensitive. That's sensitive.